In this tutorial, I'll show you two simple methods to fix Windows Update problems easily. For the first method, head over to the search bar and type Troubleshoot Settings. Click on it, and once you're inside, find and tap on Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down until you see Windows Update, then click Run next to it. This will launch the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Wait a few moments while it detects any issues with your system. If any problems are found, it will automatically attempt to fix them for you. Once it's finished, check if your problem is solved. If not, let's move on to the second method. Again, go to the search bar and type CMD. Now right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Once the Command Prompt window opens, type the command sfc/scan now and press Enter. Wait for the system scan to complete. This might take a few minutes. After the scan is done, type the next command dism/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth and press Enter again. This will begin another scan that will fix deeper system issues. Once the process is complete, all you need to do is restart your computer. That's it. Your Windows Update issues should now be fixed. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe. See you in the next video. In this video, I'll show you how to properly connect your iPhone to iTunes on a Windows PC. First, open the iTunes application on your computer. At this point, you won't see the phone icon yet, and that's completely normal. Now, connect your iPhone to the PC using a USB cable. On your iPhone screen, a prompt will appear asking if you trust this computer. Tap Trust and enter your passcode if required. After a few moments, iTunes will scan and recognize your device. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a small phone icon appear at the top of the iTunes window. Click on this phone icon to access your iPhone's page. Here, you'll see your iPhone's name along with important information like model, storage, and battery status. You'll also find options to update your device or explore your phone settings and backups. If you want to look around, feel free to click Explore to see more features and options. Once you're done managing or checking your iPhone, it's important to properly disconnect it. To do that, simply click on the Eject button next to your iPhone's name at the top. This ensures a safe disconnection without risking any data loss. After clicking Eject, you can safely unplug your iPhone from the PC. And that's it. You've now connected and disconnected your iPhone properly using iTunes. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day.